English to Pashto short sentences. I am listening to song. زه سندره اورم. I am listening to song. He is making a noise. هغه شور کوي. He is making a noise. I am learning my lesson. زه خپل سبق یادوم. I am learning my lesson. I am eating meal. زه خوراک خورم. I am eating meal. I am driving the car. زه موټر چلوم. I am driving the car. I am taking shower. زه لامبم. I am taking shower. I am playing. زه لوبې کوم. I am playing. I am helping him. زه د هغه مدد کوم. I am helping him. یعنی زه د هغه مرسته کوم. I am sweating. په ما خوله راځي. I am sweating. He is crying. هغه جاړي. He is crying. I am sleeping. زه اوده کېږم. I am sleeping. He is working. هغه کار کوي. He is working. I am writing a letter. زه خط لیکم. I am writing a letter. I am traveling. زه سفر کوم. I am traveling. He is talking. هغه خبرې کوي. He is talking. He is sneezing. هغه فرنجې کوي. He is sneezing. I am winning. زه ګټم. I am winning. He is shouting. هغه چغې وهي. He is shouting. I am running. زه منډه وهم. I am running. She is cooking. هغه خوراک پخوي. She is cooking. یعنی هغه پخلی کوي. He is stealing. هغه غلا کوي. He is stealing. He is looking at me. هغه ما ته ګوري. He is looking at me. یعنی هغه ما طرف ته ګوري. He is purchasing mobile. هغه موبایل اخلي. He is purchasing mobile. He is looking for a job. هغه نوکری ګوري. He is looking for a job. یعنی هغه د کار په تلاش کې دی. I am delivering the lecture. زه لیکچر ورکوم. I am delivering the lecture. He is drinking water. هغه اوبه څښي. He is drinking water. He is staring at me. هغه ما ته نیغ نیغ ګوري. He is staring at me. یا هغه ما ته بد بد ګوري. I am parking the car. زه موټر پارک کې ودروم. I am parking the car. I am preparing for exam. زه د امتحان دپاره تیاری کوم. I am preparing for exam. The vehicle is moving fast. गाड़ी तेज ځي. The vehicle is moving fast. I am getting engaged. زما کویدنه کیږي. I am getting engaged. I am getting married. زما واده کیږي. I am getting married. I'm asking. زه پوښتنه کوم. I'm asking. I'm thinking. زه سوچ کوم. I'm thinking. I'm blushing. زه شرمیږم. I'm blushing. I'm saying something. زه څه وایم. I'm saying something. Light the candle. مومبتی ولګوه. Light the candle. Put out the candle. مومبتی مړه کا. Put out the candle. She lit the candle. هغې مومبتی ولګوله. She lit the candle. She put out the candle. هغې مومبتی مړه کړه. She put out the candle. Thread the needle. پستنه کی تار واچوه. Thread the needle. Don't pluck the flower. ګل مشو کوه. Don't pluck the flower. I am weak in Pashto. زه په پښتو کې کمزوری یم. I am weak in Pashto. Or I am not good in Pashto. زه په پښتو کې کمزوری یم. I am not good in Pashto. I am good at Pashto. زه په پښتو کې ښه یم. I am good at Pashto. Change your mind. ذهن دی بدل کا. Change your mind. یعنی ذهن دی چینج کا. I changed my mind. ما خپل ذهن بدل کو. I changed my mind. Do you miss me? آیا زه درته یادېږم. Do you miss me? I miss you. زه تا یادوم. I miss you. یعنی ته راته یادېږي. Do you have any friends? آیا ستا څه ملګري شته. Do you have any friends? I have no any friends. زما هیڅ ملګري نشته. I have no any friends. Can you be my friend? آیا ته زما ملګری جوړېدی شي. Can you be my friend? We can never be friends. مونږ هیڅ چرې ملګري نشو جوړېدی. We can never be friends. No problem. هیڅ مسله نه ده. No problem. Don't create problems. مسلې مه جوړوه. Don't create problems. What is problem? څه مسله ده. What is problem? It is your problem. دا ستا مسله ده. It is your problem. Don't worry. فکر مه کوه. Don't worry. Don't worry about me. زما فکر مه کوه. Don't worry about me. Wait and see. صبر وکه او ګوره. وخت راله مه خرابوه. Don't waste my time. یعنی زما وخت مه خرابوه. Sleep well. ښه اوده شه. Sleep well. Stay at home. په کور کې اوسه. Stay at home. You can talk. ته خبرې کولی شي. You can talk. I don't asked. زه پوښتنه نه کوم. I don't asked. So what? نو سا. So what? I hope. زما تمه ده. I hope. یا زما امید ده. Are you ready? آیا ته تیار یې؟ Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. او زه تیار یم. Yes, I am ready. We all are ready. مونږ ټول تیار یو. We all are ready. She is ready to teach. هغه پړاو وهلو ته تیاره ده. She is ready to teach. Take my advice. زما ښوونه ومنه. Take my advice. یعنی زما نصیحت ومنه. Stay behind me. زما شاته اوسه. Stay behind me. Anything else? نور څه. Anything else? Nothing. هیڅ هم نه. Nothing. I am going to school. زه مکتب ته روان یم. I am going to school. یعنی زه سکول ته روان یم. I am going to market. زه بازار ته روان یم. I am going to market. I goes to school. زه مکتب ته ځم. I goes to school. I goes to market. زه بازار ته ځم. I goes to market. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.